Welcome to telaHosting. If your emails are not delivering or are bouncing back and not reaching the recipient's inbox, one of the most common causes is incorrect MX records. If your MX records are set incorrectly, your domain might point to the wrong mail server or none at all. That means emails get lost, delayed, or completely undelivered. If your MX records are wrong, you'll start noticing one of the following issues. You're not receiving any emails. People get bounce back messages when they try to email you. Your outgoing emails don't deliver properly. Emails go to spam folders frequently. Let me show you how to fix email delivery issues caused by incorrect MX records in cPanel. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your cPanel hosting account. Once you're on the cPanel dashboard, click on Zone Editor under the Domain section. In the Zone Editor, locate your domain name and click Manage. You will now see a list of DNS records for your domain name. Look for the records labeled MX with the filter option. MX records usually contain two important details: the priority number and the mail server address. Make sure the destination, which is the mail server address, is correct and verify that the priority values are set properly. Lower numbers means higher priority. If your hosting provider gave you specific MX records, make sure the values here match exactly. Also, check for duplicates or outdated entries, especially if you recently changed hosts or email providers. If incorrect MX records exist, click Edit next to them and update the mail server address correctly. If there are any unnecessary MX records, click the Delete button next to the incorrect MX record. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This helps avoid confusion between mail servers. If no MX record exists at all, click Add Record, select MX and enter the correct priority and mail server provided by your hosting company. Once done, click Save. Sometimes, even with the correct MX records, emails still fail because of incorrect routing settings. To fix this, in cPanel, go to the email section and click on Email Routing. Here, make sure your domain is set to Local Mail Exchanger. If not, choose Local Mail Exchanger and click Save Changes. DNS changes do not happen instantly, so it may take a few minutes or several hours to start working properly. After propagation, test your email by sending and receiving messages, and that's it. You successfully learned to fix email deliverability issues caused by MX records in cPanel. So if your emails are not delivering, don't panic. In most cases, it's simply because your MX records are misconfigured. By logging into cPanel, checking and correcting your MX entries, and waiting for propagation, you can fix the issue in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more web hosting tutorials with telaHosting. See you in the next video.